Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have a double tower card with the Rhino Ready set. Let's get started.
I scored my 4 1/4 by 9 inch cardstock at 5 1/2, 6 1/2, 7 1/2, and 8 1/2 inches. Then I cut cardstock to 3 by 4 1/2 inches and scored the long side at 3 and 4 inches. I folded and burnished the score lines on the small piece. Then I glued a 2 3/4 inch square piece of patterned paper on the front. A small matching pattern strip 3/4 inches by 2 3/4 inches goes on the side. I folded and burnished all the score lines on the large piece and adhered a 4 by 4 1/4 inch piece of pattern paper to the back wall. And a matching strip 7/8 by 4 inches goes on the back side strip. I added adhesive to the narrow 1/2 inch front flap and folded it over. And there you have Tower 1. I forgot to glue my strip that's 3/4 by 2 3/4 inches to this side of the tower. But no worries, it can still be glued on now. I use the short tower placed here as a guide so I know where to put my adhesive on the tall tower. Press and hold until the glue sets. Then I pushed and flattened the large tower so I know where to put the adhesive on the small tower. Once again, the adhesive goes on the 1/2 inch flap. Then I folded both panels underneath the front square, pressed and burnished. Now it's time to decorate. I used a blending brush and Old Olive ink to add depth to the foliage. Well-placed glue dots take care of the tree. Then I made a plant using the small stems and the large leaves. The double tower folds flat for mailing and stands up for display. For written instructions, please visit my blog at. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up.